Year end is approaching, and we're here to provide the tips and tricks you need to make it run smoothly. Your last payroll of the year is an occasion to celebrate. As you do, here are some tips to consider. To include your last payroll in the current calendar year and to avoid additional fees, it must be approved by December 27th before 4 p.m. Central Standard Time and have a check date on or before December 29th. Payrolls with a check date in the next calendar year will be included in next year's W-2s and 1099 NEC forms. As you approach your last payroll, start by checking your payroll schedule, the approved by date, and the final check date. Also, remember to consider any bonuses or checks you need to process outside of your usual payroll. Items like 1099 contractor checks, final checks not allocated in payroll, fringe benefit amount changes, or third-party sick pay checks can all be easily paid by accessing the off-cycle activities section on the dashboard. If you missed your payroll processing date, you can access Expedited Payroll by clicking the Expedited Payroll banner on the account dashboard. As always, we're here to support you if you have any questions. You can review our online help articles, launch an on-screen walkthrough, or watch a video. You can also chat, call, or send us a message. Be sure to click the Resource Center for additional walkthroughs, videos, and guides.